The very best way of actually avoiding pressure on the bulge area of the hair as well as the root bulb is to use implanters. The implanters we use are what we make in house, and this is how we are doing it. We use this dental lathe for making the needles. We use usually 19 gauge and 20 gauge needles. 19 gauge for usage in the 2s and 3s follicular units, and 20 gauge for the single follicular units. This is the mandrel and the disc. We are using carborundum disc for that. We can also use diamond discs. These are the needles that we use, 19 gauge 1.5 inch needles, also the 20 gauge needles. We set it on a small pedestal so that we get good stability. Always use your eyewear to protect against any mishaps. Very simple, it takes only a couple of seconds to make a needle. We are just elongating the bevel of the needle, and it is important that we polish the side of the needle also after we increase the size of the bevel. So this is how it is, and it is very easy to load these also. After we make it, we repack it, and then we ETO sterilize it. Steam is not a good way of sterilizing these needles. This is how we actually load the implanters.